Hi, we are from AC110-1A and this is our group assignment for MAT112 and we are from Group Y.
Hi, my name is Nur Ashkin Balkis binti Afendi.
Next, my name is Muridaya binti Alias.
My name is Nur Haidah binti Hamzah.
And Wana Shafin Najah binti Muhammad Azidin.
First, for the question number 1, explain briefly on the compound interest and list of formulas that can be used in compound interest. Introduction. Calculate on the original or principal value and the accumulated past interest. When we borrow money from the bank, we pay the interest. If you want to know how much interest you will earn on your investment or how much we will pay above the cost of the principal amount of a loan, we will need to understand the compound interest word. For the compound interest formula is S equal to P 1 plus I to the power of N, where S equal to future value or accumulated amount, P equal to principal value or initial value, I equal to periodic interest rates, and lastly N equal to number of interest period in the investment period. Next, the compound interest, I, is the difference between future value and principal value, that is, I equal to S minus P. Then the present value. The present value or discounted value at I% per interest period of amount S due in N interest period is that value P, which yields the sum S at the same interest rate after N interest period. Hence, the formula is S equal to P 1 plus I to the power of N. Then P equal to S divided 1 plus I to the power of N. And lastly, P equal to S 1 plus I to the power negative N.
Next, question 2. Ahmad invests RM12500 at 8.5% compounded quarterly for 12 years. Find the amount at the end of the investment and the interest earned. So, S equal to P 1 plus I to the power of N. 12500 1 plus 8.5% divided by 4 to the power of 4 times 12. So, RM34296.46. Then, 34296.46 minus 12500, and the last answer is RM21796.46. Next, question 2b. 8 years ago, Raihan invested RMS at a bank which offered an interest rate of 8.5% compounded semi-annually. If the accumulated amount in the account today is RM5618.95. B1. Find the value of S. So, S equal to P1 plus I to the power of N. 5618.95 equal to S 1 plus 0.0425 to the power of 10. The answer is RM3705.91. Then, question 2B2. If another RM1500 is in the same account today, find the compound amount at the end of the next 2 years. So, P new 5618.95 plus 1500, the answer is RM7118.95. Lastly, amount at the end, S equal to P1 plus I to the power of N, RM7118.95, 1 plus 0.0425 to the power of 4, the answer is RM8408.53.
Question 3. Explain in detail the concept of annuity and list the related formula. Introduction. An annuity is a series of equal payments made at an equal interval of time. For example, annuity is shop rental, insurance policy, installment payment, and etc. In each case, equal payments are deposited or paid periodically over time. First, future value of ordinary annuity certain. S refer to future value, R refer to monthly payment. So, the formula is S equal to R 1 plus I to the power of N minus 1 divided by I. The interest earned or paid according I from investment or loan in the annuity is given by I equal to S minus NR, which is S is the maturity value and NR is the total payment. Next, present value of ordinary annuity certain. A refer to the present value and the formula is A equal to R 1 minus 1 plus I to the power of negative n divided by I. And the interest charge or earned I from the investment or loan in the annuity is given by I equal to NR minus A, which is A is the present value or initial value and NR is the total payment.
Now, let's proceed to the question number 4. A. Zaim must pay 1,300 ringgit every month for 25 years to settle the loan, which charge 3.5% compounded monthly. Calculate the cash price of the house and the total interest charge. So, first, we want to find the cash price, which is the present value. So, we have to use the present value formula, which is A is equal to R1 minus 1 plus I to the power of negative n divided by I. Substitute into the formula, it will be 1,300 ringgit, 1 minus 1 plus 3.5% over 12 to the power of negative 12 times 25 divided by 3.5% over 12. So the final answer is 259676.15. Next, find the total interest charge. So we have to use the formula total payment minus present value. So substitute into the formula, it will be 1,300 times 300 minus 259676.15. So the final answer will be 130323.85. Question B. Kama decided to buy a television set for 8,000 ringgit and agreed to pay for it with 24 equal monthly payments at 1.5% compounded monthly. Calculate the monthly payment. So we have to use the present value formula, which is A is equal to R 1 minus 1 plus I to the power of negative n divided by I. So substitute into the formula, it will be 8,000 is equal to X 1 minus 1 plus 1.5% over 12 to the power of negative 12 times 2 divided by 1.5% over 12. So we will get X is equal to 338.57. Next, calculate the interest paid by Kama. So we have to use the formula total payment minus present value. So 338.57 times 24 minus 8,000. So we will get 125.68. If Kamal failed to pay for the first third payments, how much should he pay on the first payment to settle the outstanding arrears? So we have to use the future value formula, which is S is equal to R 1 plus I to the power of n minus 1 divided by I. Substitute into the formula, it will be 338.57, 1 plus 1.5% over 12 to the power of 4 minus 1 divided by 1.5% over 12. So we will get 1356.82.